Hello everyone, in this video we'll try to clean that dirty utility sink in my basement. As you can see, well, it is dirty, very dirty. Actually, a little bit of backstory here. The sink was there when I bought the house that's been built in 1949, and I don't know how long the sink has been here. But recently I had construction workers doing some plasters, and they left the work site with that sink halfway filled with, I don't know, just leftover plaster and dirty water, and the thing was backed up, was terrible. So I emptied it, but now I need to clean it. Let's try and make it a little bit cleaner. First off, we'll just remove as much dirt as we can to prevent it to go down the drain. Then we'll use a Scrub Daddy and the pink stuff. I'm kind of a bit off screen here, but the pink stuff is great stuff. I'm not sponsored, but seriously, this stuff is minor abrasive. You can go ahead on pretty much any surfaces. Coupled with the Scrub Daddy, that thing is unbeatable. All right, just look at that. One pass, already seeing great improvement. Look at the dirty water coming out. Man, that thing was dirty. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Why not? So now I've cleaned about the half in diagonal of the sink. Let's look at it. Well, there's still that rusty mark at the bottom, but other than that, it's getting pretty clean. Let's do the other half. Look at this. That's what we started with, and that's where we at now. Okay, let's do the faucet now. Since it's a utility sink, we don't need it to get too clean, because obviously it's gonna get dirty. Alright, we're still left with this rusty mark at the bottom. If you have any suggestion on how to remove it, leave a comment below. Otherwise, I'll try to find a solution and post another video on how to remove this if you have something like that in your sink as well. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, see you next time.